Welcome to the vCloud Automation Center demo, Reporting Capabilities. We will begin with an overview of the different layers of reporting that are available in the vCloud Automation Center. And then we will follow with an in-product demonstration. We will take a look at the reporting capabilities that are available in the main configuration portal, as well as the pre-built custom reports available in the reports portal. First, I want to discuss what the vCloud Automation Center provides as part of its reporting capabilities, as well as what it does not provide. In order to manage across platforms, the vCloud Automation Center collects data on all the endpoints that it manages. As a result, it is able to provide a nice executive summary of all compute infrastructure in the environment. It is important to note that this view is a point-in-time view of the infrastructure and does not depict trending or averages. Also available are reports based on organizational groups or infrastructure around capacity management, chargeback, and reclamation. Audit reports are also available at different levels in the solution. So, what does it not provide? The vCloud Automation Center is not a real-time monitoring solution. In fact, most data collections are set to collect every 24 hours. This is configurable up to an hour. However, health analysis and trending is not the intent of the solution. In fact, that is exactly why the vCloud Automation Center is very complementary with vCOps, as vCOps is designed to provide those capabilities. There are two main reporting mechanisms within the vCloud Automation Center. First, there is a reports portal, which is a separate IaaS application that is only available to administrators and group managers. There is a link to this portal in the main UI for these users. These reports are based on SQL queries, and as such can be easily customized or extended. In fact, any data that is stored in the database can be used to generate reports. The second area is in the main UI. Many of the pages present useful information to the users. It is extremely easy to filter and sort the data, as well as add and remove columns. Both sites allow you to export the data in many formats, including CSV and Excel. Let's go ahead and take a look in the solution. Let's log on to the vCloud Automation Center as our administrator. The administrator is responsible for configuring and setting policy over both the infrastructure and groups within the solution. Much of this data is available in the many pages within the main UI. We will take a look at a couple pages to demonstrate the capabilities, but note there are many other pages that can generate meaningful reports in a very similar fashion. The first page we will look at is the Reservations page. The Reservations page itself provides extremely valuable capacity management information. Each reservation lists the percentage of resources reserved versus allocated for many of the policy settings. A couple things to note when viewing these pages. First, it is very easy to filter to obtain a subset of information. For example, if we want just the information on the development group, we would simply filter on development. Note, you can also type the information in the provided box as well. Second, there is an export tab in the upper right-hand corner that will allow you to export to a PDF, CSV, Excel, or Word format. The second page we will look at is the Enterprise Machines page. This page lists all the machines associated with the enterprise group, including the status, type, and group that it belongs to. The information provided on the page is only a subset of the information available. By selecting the Columns tab in the upper right-hand corner, you will see there are many additional fields. Let's go down to Resource Usage and add memory to the visible columns. The memory column is added on the far right-hand side. So, as you can see, it is very easy to modify and filter these pages to obtain the data you are looking for, and then you can easily export the data to create your own reports. Next, we will look at the custom reports available in the Reports portal. Select Reports in the upper left-hand column. When connecting to the Reports portal, the first view you will see is the Executive Summary. This provides a nice high-level view into the infrastructure. Executive summaries are available for virtual, physical, and cloud environments. The remaining reports center around capacity usage, audit log, chargeback, and reclamation. Each report can be broken down by business groups, individual owners, compute resources, or blueprint types. Let's take a look at a couple reports. The first report we are looking at is capacity usage by group. I have filtered on just the virtual environment. The bar graph provides a quick reference into how much memory and storage has been reserved versus allocated. Below, you will find more detailed information for each provisioning group, including number of machines owned and memory and usage reserved versus allocated for each group. Again, all reports can be exported into many formats. The last report we will look at is a chargeback report. This report is showing the monthly charge per provisioning group by reservation. In essence, this is the cost per group for deployment on the different platforms. Looking at the development group, we can see the total cost for machines built on Hyper-V, vCloud Director, and straight to Virtual Center. One last thing to note on the reports portal is that it is extensible. If there are reports that customers are looking for that are not out of the box, please consult one of your cloud specialists. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope that it was informative. To learn more about vCloud Automation Center, there are additional videos available.